If you've lost access to your X.com or Twitter account and you don't remember your username, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to recover your account using your primary email address or linked mobile number instead. This is really helpful if you've forgotten your username, changed devices, or just haven't logged in for a long time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and account recovery guides. Let's jump right into it. First, open the X.com login page on your browser or in the app. You'll see the sign-in screen where it usually asks for your username, email, or phone number. If you do not remember your username, that's completely fine. Instead of trying to guess it, click into the username field and enter the primary email address that is linked to your account. If you used the mobile number when you created the account, you can use that as well. Make sure you type the exact email or phone number connected to the account, because this is what X uses to identify your profile. Once you've entered that information, move to the password field and carefully type in your password. Double check for any typing mistakes, especially if you have caps lock on or if your password includes special characters. After that, click log in. If the email or mobile number and the password are correct, X will recognize your account and sign you in without needing your username at all. This is the easiest way to get back into your account when the username is missing or forgotten. If you're still not able to log in, take a moment to make sure the email address or phone number is the one originally linked to your account. Also confirm that your password is correct. If needed, use the account recovery options provided by X to reset your login details. But in many cases, simply using your primary email or linked mobile number is enough to recover access quickly. Once you're back in, I recommend checking your account settings, updating your recovery information, and saving your username somewhere secure so this is easier next time. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover your X.com or Twitter account without needing your username. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.